We've had a bit of a reprieve from the most severe of the winter weather across the central and eastern U.S. over the last few days, but it does look like we may have another nameable storm system on the horizon. The next name on the Weather Channel list is Titan, and it looks like our candidate is the storm that will be moving into California by Friday and then crossing the Rockies and into the plains and the east by the weekend. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Bear in mind, this is still several days away. And so this is sort of a broad brush setup graphic here. We've got a clash between warm, moist southerly winds coming up from the south and northerly winds and a very, very bitterly cold Arctic high pressure system to the north. So as a low pressure center ripples along that frontal boundary, we're likely to see that warm, moist air come up over top of the cold air, especially right there over the Ohio Valley. And that could set us up for a significant winter storm, including significant ice accumulations. Saturday, we start to see the first little piece of this move out into the Midwest, but it's really Sunday where this thing starts to crank. We get the heavier moisture up into the colder air, and you see those pinks and purples across the Ohio Valley. That may be the significant ice storm, and I'm afraid somebody in that region could get a lot of ice out of this. And then on Monday, looks like snow for parts of the Northeast with a transition zone maybe for D.C. and Philadelphia. Still quite a ways away, so the details will change somewhat as we get closer. The major metropolitan area that I'm most concerned about is Cincinnati. Look at Sunday, freezing rain that may last much of the day and a wintry mix that may last well into Monday as well. And not only Cincinnati, but potentially Indianapolis, Louisville, Dayton, and Columbus. Those would be the major metro areas that should really be paying attention to this, because any one of those 5 metro areas could see a significant ice storm out of this, and we'll have more details and more confidence on exactly where to expect the worst weather as we get a little bit closer. Again, we're looking at Sunday and Monday, so plenty of time to prepare. I'm Nick Wiltgen, the Weather Channel.